With the snow gone, the foxes shed their white fur and become a camouflaging brown. It makes hunting easier. The vast majority, however, are forced to nest on the ground. Eider ducks slow their heartbeats, which helps them avoid detection. Others have no need to stay out of sight. The powerful Arctic skuas defend their eggs with aggression. And dirty tricks. There are other options for the fox. Their answer to the fox problem is to hide deep among the boulders. A hungry fox can get very frustrated. He needs to be more patient. It's time to use that famous foxy cunning. If the boulders can hide the orcs, they can also hide a fox. The orcs are just too quick off the mark. What is needed is a distraction of some kind. The orcs are outfoxed.